To measure wrist flexion, range of motion, using lateral alignment of the goniometer, the patient is seated with the shoulder in 90 degrees of abduction. The elbow is flexed 90 degrees, and the forearm is pronated. The arm and forearm are supported on the table with the hand off the table and the wrist in a neutral position. During the measurement, the axis of the goniometer is aligned with the triquetrum. The stationary arm is aligned with the lateral midline of the ulna and the olecranon process, and the moving arm is aligned with the lateral midline of the fifth metacarpal.
Ms. Smith, I'm going to measure how much you can move your wrist using this device. Let's move your arm this way. When I ask you to, I want you to move your wrist down this way and hold it there. Are you ready? Move your wrist down. Now relax.